You're welcome to Maths Easy Peasy, and in today's class, we shall be looking at elapsed time. Now, we're trying to look at a time spent on any activity, and it is very important in real-life situations to calculate the time you spent in a particular task. So today, we'll be going straight to our first question on the board, which says, Ngozi started baking at 2:15 p.m. and finished at 3:45 p.m. How long did she spend baking? Now we're looking at the elapsed time. So in this case, let's go straight to our solution. Now, first thing we must do is to identify the start time. He started baking at this, so we say start time is equal to 2:15 p.m. and the stop time is equal to 3:45 p.m. So with this, we can go straight to solve. Therefore, elapsed time or time taken will be equal to stop time, stop minus what? Start time. And our stop time from our work is 3:45, while the start time is 2:15. So with this, we can go straight to do our subtraction. So we are subtracting. 5 from 5 gives us 0. 1 from 4 gives us 3. And 2 from 3 gives us 1. So time spent by Ngozi will be equal to 1 hour 30 minutes. That's the time spent in baking. This is actually easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy, Dominion pizzas. Now let's go to the next question for today. In our second question for today, a film started at 5:30 p.m. and lasted for 2 hours, 20 minutes. At what time did the film end? Now, in this case, we have to add, they didn't give us the stop time, but they gave us the elapsed time. We have to look for the time the film ended. So, what we need to do is to add the time taken to the start what? Time. And this is actually easy peasy. So, we are going to start by identifying our start time. Let's write our solution. So, from our question, start time is equal to 5:30. Time taken is equal to 2 hours 20 minutes, 2:20. Now, because we were not given the stop time, but we're just given time taken, we add. So in this case, we are adding this time together. We have 0, 3 plus 2, 5, and 5 plus 2, 7. So this is our answer. Now, we're going to, so we now know the end time. So end time of the movie, end time of the frame was what? 7:50 p.m. Actually, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheese.